Hey, John Dalton. This is a real creek adventure. I've been watching your channel for several years now, and I love it. I love the way you do things, and I love your message. This episode on my channel is dedicated to creek fishing adventures and what you do and the way you fish. Hope you enjoy it, brother. Talk to you later. Bye. We're out on the Monocacy River today. It's late April. Smallmouth bass are biting. We've already had a pretty good day. We've caught a bunch of fish from shoreline. We've caught maybe 10 smallmouths up to about 15, 16 inches. Nice fish, nothing huge, but a couple big rock bass, a couple nice river sunfish. So we hopped into kayaks. We're heading upstream, see what we can do. Stick with us. Beautiful day out, beautiful day. Nice fish. Nice bass. Yeah, baby. That's a good one. That's a picture fish. Nice one. I don't know if it's the same fish that I just hooked or what, but it's a nice one. Come on, baby. Haha. Nice smallmouth, man. Nice Monocacy River smallmouth, I'll say. Hit the hair jig. Alright. Hit the hair jig. If I can get out of them. Come on, baby. There we go. Nice fish. Nice fish. 14-inch fish. Good one. I'm happy with it. I'm going to put this one back. Nice smallmouth. Nice fish. Oh, under the boat. This is fun. Fun, man. Fun. Another nice smallmouth. What a sweet fish, man. Nice fish. Nice fish. I love this, man. This is crazy. This is crazy fun. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Monocacy River. Very sweet. Very sweet. There he goes. Let's get another one. Another one. I thought this one was much bigger, but it's not. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Another nice one. Another nice stream smallmouth here from Central Maryland. Good looking fish. Good looking fish, man. Nice looking fish. Back she goes. And look, we're not using anything special here. I'm using a hair jig with a piece of Yamamoto Senko on the back end of it that is red. And that's it. We're just spray casting all around the shorelines to the bank. Fish are moving shallow. They're getting ready to spawn. I haven't seen any beds yet, but that's what they're doing. So anyway, that puts me up to 11 fish today, and I'm pretty tickled with that. See if we can't get a couple more. Much bigger fish. Oh my. Oh my. This is a big smallmouth. Oh my gracious Lord. Might have to get that out for this guy. big smallmouth. It's a much bigger fish. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh gosh, barely hooked. That is a fine Monocacy River smallmouth right there, baby. That's a nice 16-inch class fish. Whew. Nice fish. Wow. Thank you, Lord. What a fish. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm gonna tell you what, this is good stuff, man. This is good stuff. This is good, good, good stuff. Here's one I just pulled up on the bank here and got this nice fish. Beautiful smallmouth. Man, I tell you, it's a good day today. Very nice fish. Very nice fish. Good fish. Big fish. One nice big smallmouth after another. Look out. Easy, buddy. Easy. 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 Another nice big smallmouth from the Monocacy. This is quite a fish. This is quite a day. Look at that. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. Hokey smokes. Man. One nice big smallmouth after another. Oh, look out. Easy, buddy. Easy. 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 Another nice big smallmouth from the Monocacy. This is quite a fish. This is quite a day. Look at that. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. Hokey smokes. Here we go again. Another nice fish. All right, let's just get this one in. All right, there we go. Another nice little bass. Not quite as big as some of the others, but nice. I'll take them. I'll take them. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, start recording. Here we go again. Another nice fish. They just won't let up. Very nice smallmouth here. Another good little fish. Great day. Great day to be out fishing, I'll tell you that. That's a pretty good one. Another nice smallmouth. This has been a great day. Good fish. Good fish. Got one right in shallow here underneath this tree. This is good fish, actually.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Oh, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. In shallow, man. That one was in shallow. Really pretty fish. Turn him around here. We can see him a little bit better. Pretty nice smallmouth. Cool, man. There we go. Sweet. Sweet. Pretty nice smallmouth. Cool, man. Fish or a rock? Could have been a rock. Try that again. In case it was a fish. Look out. Look out.
Uh-oh.
Look out.
Uh-oh.
Big fish.
You don't touch the sleigh rod there.
That's a big fish.
Oh, look at that. Jumper.
Wow, that's quite a fish. Like to get him in. I think he's going to be the biggest of the day. Man, what a fish. What a fish.
I'm just enjoying watching the saga unfold.
Oh. Oh! Yes.
All righty, hold him up there for a sec. Got it. I got the boat. I got a good picture of you.
Oh, holy moly.
Let me get a little closer. I'll get another one.
Wow, what a fish. What a fish.
Yeah, that's a beautiful fish.
What a fish. Okie smokes. Bullwinkle. Look at that bass. Look at that bass. Praise unto the Lord.
Yes,
This
indeed.
is quite a day, man.
This is
Quite a
We've
day.
had some good
Multiple.
ones, Jim. We've had some good days fishing.
Oh, man.
Bring me
We
luck.
have been blessed. There we go. There we go. Bump board.
Look at this. Look at this. Now that's pretty fancy.
That is pretty fancy.
Oh, look at that.
Well, 16 3/4.
That's a good looking fish.
I'll be happy with that one.
Hey, Jim, why you got that out? See that blue line? Oh, here. That blue line on my line?
Right?
This right here?
Right.
Put that rod in there when you get a chance to give me a
We'll do it. We'll do it. I'm going to get a release shot of this fish here. Well,
Nice
we've got
and
it.
healthy.
What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Thank you, Lord, man. Beautiful smallmouth. Beautiful smallmouth.
Yeah, I've been fortunate all this.
Shot of this fish.
Wow, we got it. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Thank you, Lord, man. Beautiful smallmouth. Beautiful smallmouth.
Wow. Well, I'll tell you what, we had a great day on the Monocacy today. I don't know you can have much better day. We caught over 30 smallmouths, and we had a lot of 15 to almost 17-inch fish. 2, 2 1/4, you know, maybe not quite 3-pound class fish, but very nice smallmouths. A lot of 12s, a couple 11s, some 14s. Caught them mostly on hair jig with a little red piece of a Yamamoto Senko on the back of it. And Judd caught his fish almost exclusively. Oh, he's got another one. Oh, that's a big fish. We got a big fish on right here, right now, doing the outro. Watch this fish come out of the water. It's going to come out of the water. That's the one we want. That's the one we want. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Got the net out.
Hiding under the boat, Jim.
I know, that's always a drag. Oh, that's a good fish.
Coming in hot.
Coming in hot. Oh, yes. All right. Anyway, great day, great day. We'll see y'all some other time, maybe on this same river. Talk to you later, and God bless. Hold him down a little bit. That's it. Another nice looking smallmouth. Put his head towards me a little bit. Wow, pretty fish. Another 15, 16-inch class fish that we got here. Want to release him right here?
Yep.
Let me back out and I'll get the release. Right there.
Ready?
Yeah. There we go. Nice. Sweet, man. Sweet.
And that's a wrap for me.
And that's a wrap.
And that's a wrap.
And that's a wrap. And that is a wrap.